Are you looking for the next great mid-range phone of 2024? The iPhone SE 4 might just be the one to keep your eyes on. With fresh leaks coming from trusted sources, the upcoming iPhone is expected to bring some impressive upgrades that might make it stand out from the crowd, all while maintaining a price that's appealing for those seeking a budget-friendly option. Let's explore what makes the iPhone SE 4 so exciting. One of the most anticipated changes is the design. Apple is expected to do away with the old dated notch, which has been a staple on iPhones for years, and replace it with the dynamic island feature, a design element first seen on the iPhone 14 Pro models. This update doesn't just make the phone look more modern, but it also offers more functionality. The dynamic island is designed to show important notifications such as music controls, incoming calls, and alerts right at the top of the screen. This feature is often found on Apple's premium phones, and now it looks like the SE 4 is getting in on the action, making this affordable option feel more like its high-end siblings. The design upgrade is just the beginning. On the inside, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to be powered by the A18 chip, which is expected to be the same processor used in the upcoming iPhone 16. This chip promises a faster performance, improved energy efficiency, and the ability to run advanced features like Apple Intelligence, which would be a first for the SE series. If these rumors are true, the iPhone SE 4 will not only have a fresh look, but will also perform like a flagship device, making it one of the most powerful mid-range phones on the market. Of course, with all these enhancements, you might be wondering about the price. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to start at $499 United States dollars, which is a slight increase from its predecessor, the iPhone SE 3. While the higher price might raise some concerns, the value you're getting with the rumored features could make it well worth the extra cost. Many smartphones in this price range don't offer the same level of performance or innovative features, so it's hard to argue against the potential value the SE 4 could bring. However, there is one area where the SE 4 might not meet everyone's expectations: the display. Leaks suggest it will feature a 60Hz screen, which compared to the smoother 120Hz displays found on many mid-range phones these days, might feel a little behind the times. But it's worth noting that even the flagship iPhone 16 series is expected to stick with a 60Hz display. While a 120Hz display might be a nice touch, for most users, the overall experience of the iPhone SE 4 should still feel premium, especially with the other upgrades that are expected. Looking ahead, it's likely that we'll see iPhone SE 4 launch sometime in spring 2024. While no official date has been confirmed yet, the timing makes sense. Based on the leaks, this phone seems poised to compete not only with other mid-range options like the Samsung Galaxy A56 and Google Pixel 9a, but also with Apple's own iPhone 16. With its fresh design, powerful performance, and competitive pricing, it could become the go-to iPhone for people who want premium features without the high price tag. What do you think? Could the iPhone SE 4 be the mid-range phone you've been waiting for? Or do you have doubts about the leaks? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech updates. The Galaxy S25 Ultra from Samsung is pushing the boundaries of smartphone photography and video performance. In a market where some brands rush to release new features every year, Samsung has opted for a more deliberate approach. The result? A camera system that's not only powerful, but refined in all the right ways. While the hardware may appear similar to last year's model, the real improvements come from the enhancements in image processing and software, which are key to elevating your photography experience. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera is the combination of a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel front camera, which have all been carried over from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, what sets this new model apart is the massive upgrade to the ultra-wide camera. It now boasts a 50-megapixel sensor, a substantial jump for the previous 12-megapixel sensor. This brings about sharper, more vibrant images with improved macro shots and excellent low-light performance. Thanks to its larger aperture, more light reaches the sensor, reducing noise and ensuring clearer images in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or close-up details, the results are noticeable. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera is Samsung's new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip. This powers the ProVisual engine, which leverages artificial intelligence to enhance every photo and video you capture. This system optimizes colors, reduces noise, and improves dynamic range, making your photos look more natural and vibrant. A particularly exciting feature is the spatiotemporal filter, which intelligently distinguishes between static and moving objects in a frame. This allows the phone to process these elements separately, ensuring that both moving and still subjects are captured in the highest possible quality without blur. When it comes to video, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers groundbreaking capabilities. The phone is now capable of recording 8K video at 30 frames per second, not just with the primary camera, but also with the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. While you can't switch between lenses during 8K recording, the ability to capture this level of detail with multiple lenses opens up new creative possibilities. Additionally, Samsung has made 10-bit high dynamic range, HDR, the default for video, ensuring that colors are richer and more vibrant, regardless of lighting conditions. Whether you're filming in daylight or at night, your videos will have more depth and vibrancy. For those who love taking photos in RAW format, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has made significant improvements. The Expert RAW mode now supports 200 megapixel images, a huge leap from the previous 50 megapixel limit. This gives photographers more flexibility and detail when editing their shots. A new feature called Virtual Aperture also allows you to adjust the aperture from an f1.4 to an f16, giving you precise control over focus and depth of field. This level of customization is usually found only in professional cameras, making it a game changer for anyone serious about mobile photography. Video creators will appreciate the introduction of the Galaxy Log format. While videos recorded in this format might appear flat at first, they are designed to offer the most flexibility for post-production editing. You can apply Samsung's built-in color correction or take it further by editing your preferred software. This feature is perfect for content creators who want to retain as much detail and color accuracy as possible. For those who enjoy portrait photography, the updated Portrait Studio offers even more customizable styles. Whether you want a 3D cartoon effect, a comic-style look, or a watercolor painting vibe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's AI-generated options make your portraits truly unique. Additionally, the new filters feature adds analog-style film effects to both photos and videos, giving your creations a retro feel. Samsung has also enhanced the usability of the camera system. One of the most useful features is the single-take mode, which now includes a pre-record function. This allows the camera to start capturing frames even before you press the shutter button, so you never miss a fleeting moment. You can also grab stills from these pre-recorded frames, making it easier to capture fast-moving action or moments that happen in the blink of an eye. The Best Face feature uses motion photo to capture a short video before and after you press the shutter, letting you pick the best facial expressions for group shots or candid moments. It's perfect for parents, event photographers, or anyone photographing large groups. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Imagine a mid-range smartphone offering top-tier features that usually come with flagship models. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that the iPhone Special Edition 4 might just be the phone that changes the game in this category? According to leaks from a trusted source, we're starting to see hints that this phone will bring more than just a basic upgrade to Apple's Special Edition line. With an expected price tag of $499, it's setting up to deliver incredible value for money. Before we get into the details, if you're thinking about upgrading your phone, don't forget to check out the Galaxy S25. By reserving it now, you could score a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, with the possibility of additional savings of up to $1,250, plus a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. But now let's get back to the iPhone Special Edition 4. This new release is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year. Some reports even suggest that it could potentially compete with the upcoming iPhone 16 in terms of sales, which says a lot about the power